So today, last class we have seen the application based traffic inside my firewall. Okay, that things we have cleared yesterday. That is our. It's also known as our proxy firewall, right? That things we have covered up yesterday. Right now, today we are going to see. Let me give the revised ones back once again. We have seen the last class. This is the topics application gateway firewall. This topic we have done yesterday, and yesterday we have seen packet filtering firewall. Packet filtering firewall. These are the more important things inside the firewall. How the firewall is categorized. L7. We have discussed this one. This is going to from L3 to L4, right? So that differentiation also we have seen inside that. Today, let me start. Today we will see very much important the stateful firewall. What is the difference between the stateful firewall and a stateless firewall? If you go for an interview, that is the basic question. 100% they will ask you, the interviewer, right, in the firewall. So when they are asking for the ASA and the cisco, when they have some questions inside that which related to the ASA. So that is very much important here. That is your stateful firewall. Stateful firewall. What is the stateful firewall and what is the stateless firewall? Very much important, this one. That is sure. Yesterday they have asked you a question that is related to your stateful firewall. Okay, so let me come on that. I am giving example here. What is happened in the stateful firewall? Just try to see here. The stateful firewall, when we are discussing on the stateful firewall, this is the heading. Stateful firewall. Okay, when you have questions, just ask me the question. Okay, so inside the stateful firewall, they are telling you a stateful packet inspection is there. Very much important. I'll be draw a diagram, then after I'll be explain you. First, write this point here. That is known as your SPI. What is SPI? SPI is telling you stateful packet inspection. Okay, this is the first point you will get inside your stateful firewall. Then after, provide protection from layer 3 of OSI model. Okay, next point is inside that used in Cisco firewall. That's what I told you. Stateful firewall is come inside your Cisco ASA. So I'm writing here used in Cisco firewall. Okay, next is here maintain a session table. Maintain a session table. Okay, next is your every TCP
Okay, I lost you, so I called you. Hello?
I'm getting you.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah. My voice is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. You
Now
mute.
I can hear you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Mute you. Mute it from your side. So what is happened? This is the stateful firewall. In the stateful firewall, you have SPI, that is called stateful packet inspection. Then after, the second point is here, provide protection from layer 3. Okay, because the firewall is working on the layer 3 by default. Understood my point? This is very much important. So here,
What is SPA?
SPI is a stateful protection. I am coming on that. That is create a table. I am coming on that points. Let me come on that. I am explaining one by one everything. Here it is telling you layer 3 protection. Understood? Okay. SPI is your stateful packet inspection. I'm coming on that point also. Used, this one, stateful firewall is used inside your Cisco firewall and maintain a session table. Okay. Next point you should write, where I'm underlying, just underlying this point. Okay. Here you should write here. Next it is telling you every, I told you firewall only allow the TCP and UDP based traffic. Remember, from the higher security level to lower security level, correct? So here every TCP and UDP flow in and outbound, in and outbound are made entry, are made entry in session table. Where? In session table. Are you getting my point? Okay. Next it is telling you return traffic. Next point you write here, return traffic allowed, allowed outside network if session table contains the session. If session table, session table contains, contains a session. Okay, just come here. Have you done this point? Nagras, have you done this point? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
just see the lab once. Okay, just a second. Hello, hello. Natraj,
You're
give me.
talking to me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm calling you. Just give me 5 minutes. One parcel is came. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. They are outside my building. Just give
Okay.
me 5 minutes. Let me take the parcel. Hello, 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 hello. Are you there? Hello. See the lab. I was talking here regarding your connection table, okay, and session entry. This part I was discussing with you, right? Practice the lab, okay. I was discussing with you here the session table, correct? Session table entry and connection table. Connection table. 100% question they will ask you if you go for any interview, okay. Just see how it is working. Let me try once again. Maybe the IP is not getting properly. Power off, power on. I have the IP address is 192.168.137.134. Okay. Uh, Let me check once. Okay. 192.168.137. 192.168.137.134. This is the IP address we have here. Sometime what happened? I told you yesterday we have to disable the firewall or antivirus. Because of that also sometimes it will not allow you. Okay, let me check once it is taking or not. Admin UNL login. Don't set the password. Let's see it's coming or not. Disable in silent mode. Yes. Undefined message. Check the URL VM and powered on. If it is, see logs. Close. Login 192. Okay. I will try in some other browser. Internet Explorer. Oh, 192.168.137.134. Okay. Enable. I'm not getting the IP address. Oh, 192.168.137.134. CMD ping 192.168.137.134. Oh, I'm not reachability is not there from my PC to there. It's showing unreachable. Okay, so maybe that IP is not stable. So what I will do here, I will come here, go in the settings. Okay, NAT, bridge, bridge. See here what I'm doing. Okay, bridge. After that, okay. After that, power off. Okay, again I will start it. I will close this session and let me wait to get the IP address from DSCP to my machine. Let it be boot. GNS3 is there or not? Okay, it started. Why it's happened? Because I have Fortinet firewall. I was teaching to someone. So in the Fortinet firewall, see, I got 192.168.225.223. So before like that IP is correct or not, it is getting your open in your browser or not. So for that, what you do, open the CMD, and in the CMD try to ping. That will be means from your PC to your VMware. Its reachability is not, it will show you. So what I will do, ping 192.168.225.225.223, correct? Let me check. Again, it's showing no reachability is there. Okay. 225.22. Okay, 233, not 223. 233, correct. I have the reachability. See, it is showing me detail values. Okay, so I'm going to open 233. Let's come here. 192.168, 192.168.225.233. Correct. See here, it's open. It's asking admin. The password should be UNA. I open this one. Don't save. See here, I was teaching Fortinet. Because of that only, I need a NAT to connect to the browser. Clear my point? So let me close this lab and let me show you the lab on the firewall. Okay. So home, action, add a new lab, ASA lab. Okay. Version 1. And let's save this one. We have the ASA lab is there. Open the lab. Here what we will do, we will take a ASA, what I want to show you. Okay, let me come here. I will take ASA. See here, the version of ASA is my 915. Okay, this is the firewall, and I save it. What I will do, I will start it. My ASA is started. I want a CMD. Can you hear me? No, your sound is not coming. I'm not getting your sound. I'm not getting your sound. Hello.
Hello,
Yeah, right now it's clear.
hello,
Yeah, Natraj, I'm getting your sound. Hello? I'm getting your sound.
hello.
Your sound is clear to me. Your sound is clear. Your sound is clear to me. Your sound is clear. Okay. What we are discussing, see here, why I came here, this point. I want to show you this point here. Just see. I want to see you this point. What? Session table. Are you getting? This point, layer 3, correct? What is session table? Understood? What is TCP UDP, how it is working? Are you getting? And this point, session table, we are talking about these points. Understood? What is SPI? You understood my point? These things we were discussing on the lab. That's why I opened the lab. Clear? Fine. Am I audible?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, right now it's clear. I'm clear.
Can you please explain me the versions between 8 and 9? What is the difference?
There is that NAT is different. Okay, that is only the things. Some VPN concept is different. Okay, above
Okay.
8.3, try to understand. Prior to, usually we use the word prior to 8.3 to 9.x. Understood? We will use the same commands everywhere. Same commands. Are you getting? Below 8.3, below 8.3, it is known as PICS. Network address translation is different. NAT. Are you getting? Here the NAT is object based translation. Object based translation. Are you getting my point? We will see this point when we'll come on the translation. You understood? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Understood. Object based translation from 8.3 to 9.x. Clear?
Yeah.
Here, when we'll use the NAT, this is your 8.3 is your gigabit Ethernet. Here we will use first. Here you will use Ethernet. This is more fast compared to that. Understood? Here the translation is object based. We will create an object, one object for inside, one object for outside. Understood? And then after we can use the translation and we can call whatever the necessary is there. What is the question they will ask you? You can use inside the object, but there is no. Here is your NAT is there, and then after there is global is there. Are you getting my points? So
Okay.
in a days we are working in ASA 8.3 to 9.x. This is outdated. Nobody is working on the PICS firewall. Clear my point?
Okay.
So no
Yeah.
need to worry about your PICS. Clear? Fine. Let me come on the points. We are talking about the session table. Okay. This is also known as what? Connection table. Are you getting? Connection table. You understood my point? Connection table and session table. Yesterday in your interview, they asked you this question: how the traffic flow inside your firewall. Are you getting? So see here how the traffic flow inside your firewall. That things we are discussing. Let's see here. Sorry. Here, node. I will use one router here. Okay, clear? And here also I will use one router. Save. After that, what I will do, I will connect with the firewall. Fine. For that, we need a network. I will use here net 1. Okay. Save. So this is going to connect interfaces. F0/0 of router is going to connect with NAT1. Clear? Understood? And ASA edit interfaces G1. Ethernet is written, but this is G, gigabit. Okay. So Ethernet 1 is going to connect with NAT1. Are you getting my points? So that means this is the connectivity. You understood? Here, here we have R2 is there. This is R1, this is R2. I will use here again network. In the network, I will use, just a second. In the place of net2 I will use save. Clear? This is going to connect with F0/0 is going to connect with NAT2, because in the R2, that's why I'm using NAT2 for understanding purpose. Clear? Here ASA2 outside interface is going to connect with Ethernet 1 is this side, Ethernet 2 is on the outside, NAT2. Save. That means this is my connectivity. Okay. I start this router also, and I start this router also. Okay. See here, I'm writing here This is my host. Okay, this is my server or internet. Or internet. Fine. This is my F0/0. This is the network I use here, 10.11.11.0/24. Here I will use the network 192.1.20.0/24. Understood? From this network I will provide here dot 10. From this network I will provide here dot 2. This is R2. Okay, this is my R1. Fine. From this network I will provide here dot 1. Okay, so this
Which
is
is
my,
inside network, which is outside network.
this is my inside. I'm writing, this is my inside network. Okay, this is clear. This is my outside network. Okay, this one. Fine. Clear. So by default the security level for inside is 100. Apart from anything it will be keep on 0. Understood? Clear. So my traffic is flow from higher to lower, and it should be TCP or UDP based traffic. Correct or not? Fine. And traffic from higher to lower traffic. Understood my point? This is the scenario we have. Fine. Okay. So let me start this part. Let me come on the R1. Let me configure the R1. R1 acts as a host. Fine. So this is my R1. Let me remove this one, what I have written here. Come here. My router is ready. Enable configuration terminal. I will tell host name is my Saurabh. This is the host here. Okay, Saurabh is there. Interfaces I know, that is interface F0/0. Correct or not? Are you getting my point? F0/0. See here, this is my interface F0/0. I am configuring right now router. You understood my point? So on the particular interface, I will assign the IP addresses and all. So I came here and I'm writing IP address is my 10.11.11.1 with 255.255.255.0. Then after no shutdown, then after exit. Okay, I want to go to outside network, correct? So I need a route because there is different network 192 1.168, some different network is there. So for that I required a route, so I will use a default route. So I will route here IP route 0.0.0.0.0.0 towards what 10.11.11.10. You understood my point? Here you see, here there. I want to go from here to here. Understood? Here is the network is 10.11.11.0, and this is the different network is 192.1.20.0. I want to communicate from here to here. Understood? So for that what we need, we require a route. Correct or not? Natras, are you getting what I am explaining you? Right? And the gateway will be what? Gateway will be this interface. That is what is the IP address for this interface? The IP address of ASA G1. I'm writing here. ASA G1 is 10.11.11.10 from this network. Okay. And this one, this is 192.1.20.0 network. So ASA G2, this interface, this is G2, okay. ASA G2 becomes 192.1.20.10. Clear? R1 is 10 dot same network 10.11.11.1 slash 24 slash 24 slash 24, and R2 becomes 192.1.20.2 slash 24. You understood my point? Clear? This is the IP we have to assign. Understood? So from here to here, different networks is there. So we have to provide the network. We have to assign the network here. Clear? Right? So let me come on the configuration. This is Saurabh, this is the host. So I have assigned everything here. Okay. Let me come on the R2. R2 is ready. Let me maximize it. See here, this router is ready. What I will do, configuration terminal, I will tell, sorry, configuration enable, configuration terminal, I will tell host name becomes my internet. Clear? Right? This is internet. Interface F0/0 IP address is 192.1.20.2 with 255.255.255.0. Clear? Then after no shutdown, then after exit. You understood? IP route I required because I need a communication from the different network, from the different zone. So for that, what I will do, I will use IP route default. I will use 0000 towards 192.1.20.10 R2 gateway. Okay, outside gateway. Clear? Clear up to here? Okay. Then after I will come on the ASA part. This part is done. This part is done. Okay. This part is done. I will come on the ASA. See here, this is my ASA. Okay. So on ASA, what I will do, enable. See here, I will check the interfaces. How many interfaces is there? So interface IP brief. This is a command to check the interfaces. See here, it is showing you Ethernet 12023 total. I have the interfaces, and that there is no IP address and everything is down statically. So what I will do, I will go on the particular interface. I will write the command as interface E1, E1. Okay. Name if is mine. E1 is inside. See here. E1 is inside. Are you getting? This is my inside zone. So what I will do, I will write inside. See, one message should be come. What is coming here? It is showing you the security level of the inside. It becomes 100 by default. Clear? Then after I have to sign the IP address for that particular interface, I will tell IP address from the same network, that is the network is 10.11.11.0. I will assign here the IP address is 10.11.11.10. I already defined the gateway for R1 is 10. So I will assign on the G1 interfaces that should be 10 with the slash values 255.255.255.0. Okay. Then after what I will do, no shutdown and exit from here. Okay. So I have created exit from here. I have created one zone, that is my inside zone. If you want to see the zone, you can give show name. If it will show you the zone. See here, only one zone I have created, that is Ethernet 1 inside, and the security level for the particular interface is 100. Then after I want to show the IP address for that, so what I will do, show interface IP address. Okay, so IP address, see here, sorry, so interface IP address, see here what is happening. So interface, sorry, so interface IP brief, this is the command. Sorry, what I'm getting here for the Ethernet 10.11.11.0 10, that is yes, manually up, and protocol is up. Clear? Ethernet 2 is becomes to, this is become to, see here, this is becomes to my inside. Okay, this is going, I will create for my outside. You understood? Okay, right now nothing is there, so that's why it is down. Okay, see here, Ethernet 2 is unsigned, unsafe, and administratively down. So for that, what I will do, I will come here on the particular interface, I will write the IP address for that. So interface E2 name if is mine, outside. See, I told you, apart from inside, if will be keep any name, it will be keep on the 0. Understood or not? That message is came. Security level for outside is 0. You understood my point? Fine. Clear, right? So what I will do, I will come here and I will assign the IP address for particular interface. IP address is 192.1.20.10 with 255.255.255.0. Then after no shutdown, then after exit. So if you want to see here, so name if we have two zone that is showing you Ethernet 1 is inside and Ethernet 2 is outside. If you want to see the IP address, you can give show interface IP brief. This is the command I am getting, that Ethernet 1 is 10.11.11.10 and Ethernet 2 is this one. Okay, what I will do, I am trying to check the connection table. ASA, that things in the L3 devices in your ASA, it will show you the connection table. That things you will not find the routers. Okay, so for that, what I will do, Saurabh is the host, this is the internet. I will create the telnet session from R1 to R2. So for that, what I will do, line VTY04, okay, and I will create a password. Password is my Cisco. Are you getting? Cisco is my password. Come here on your R1. Okay, this is my R1. What I will do, I will try to telnet, not ping. Ping will not allow ICMP. Okay, so for that, I will do the telnet. Wait, host is my 192.1.20.2. This is R2. You understood? I want to telnet from R1. I want to telnet from R1 to where? R2. That means from higher security level to lower security level. Understood? Clear? R1 is host and R2 is your internet. You understood my point? Okay. Just see. I created line BTY, that is for authentication. Understood my point? Right? So what I will do, I will come here, enter. It will ask you password. Trying here. Hold a second. Just come on ASA. Let me check that in ASA connection table is there or not. So connection. No connection table have created because there is no entry. No telnet session have done. Okay. Let me check from host from here. Telnet 192.1.20.2. Okay. R2 is internet. Just see what it is showing. I'm not able to telnet. Let me try to ping from here to there. Control C. Control Z. Show IP. Interface brief. 192.1.20.2. Okay. Show run include route. Okay, that is correct. 0000 and 192.1.20.10. Fine. Let me come on the ASA. This is my ASA here. Okay. Ping. Try to ping R1. 10.11.11.1. I'm not able to ping from ASA to R1 or R2. Okay. See here. That is the issue. Come here on R1. Check the IP address. So IP interface brief 10.11.11. Everything is fine. So what I will do, I will change the interfaces once again. Just come here. Node. Stop it. Stop it. And stop it. Network. Okay. Let me start again. Let me start again. Let me come on the R1. Sometimes this problem should become okay. Let me check once. Not starting. Start this one. Let me start this one. Hold a second. Let it be start once again. Yeah, it's came here. I don't want no. Yeah, it started here. Let me check once. Enable configuration terminal interface F0/0 IP address is mine 10.11.11.1 with 255.255.255.0 no shutdown exit IP route is mine 0.0.0.0.0.0.0 towards 10.11.11.10. Okay, fine. Let me come on the ASA. This is my ASA. Enable configuration terminal. Configuration terminal. Sorry. Interface Z1. Interface E1. Name if is my inside IP address is 10.11.11.10 with 255.255.255.0. Then after no shutdown and exit. Okay, let me ping directly connectivity. So I will ping from here to 10.11.11.1. Yeah, I have successfully. I think something problem is there. Because of that only it was not working. See here, I am able to ping, right? Before that it was not pinging. If you want to ping from routers also, control Z, ping, ping directly 10.11.11.10. Okay, I'm able to ping. Then after what I will do, I will come on the R2. This is my R2, right? No, let it become. There was no configuration error is there. Okay, because of that only sometimes what happens, this simulations inside that some problem it's stuck sometimes. Okay, because of that only sometimes its problem happen. Don't worry about that. Understood? Enable configuration terminal interface F0/0 IP address is mine 192.1.20.2 R2. Okay, then 255.255.255.0, then no shutdown, then after exit and IP route is 0.0.0.0.0.0 towards 192.1.20.10. Okay, we have done. I will do line VTY 04 and password I will create here. Sorry, password will be my Cisco. Okay, just come on ASA here, interface E2, name if is my outside, see 0, IP address is 192.1.20.10, 255.255.255.0. Okay, then after no shutdown, exit. What I will do, I will try to ping outside interface. So ping from here 192 192.1 dot sorry dot 1.20.2. Okay, see, I have successfully pinged. What I will do, from R1 I will try to telnet. Okay, so I will do the telnet session from here. Telnet 192.1.20.2. Okay, R2. See, it is asking me for password. I will give the password as Cisco. Okay, I am accessing the router. So users, if you want to see, it will show you who is coming. See here, location should be come from R1. Okay, location should be come from R1. It will show you. Show connection table, you check. See here. Natraj, are you there? Hello.
Yes.
This is the important point. What I was telling you. See, TCP always connection table entry have reverse entry. Remember, connection table or session table. Connection table, or it is known as your session table, have always a reverse entry. Are you getting? See here. First, it is coming what? Outside interface, IP address. Correct or not? Are you getting or not? Please let me know. IP address, that is R2.
Yeah.
R2 address, connection table. See here, that is very much important. That was the question yesterday they asked you. Reverse entry, session table or connection table. Clear? TCP based traffic outside. This is telling you outside. See here, outside. Okay, port number 23 TCP. Then after inside entry, inside R1 IP address 10.11.11.1, a random port. Okay, some value is there, ideal value, how much time it will be there. Okay, that is the ideal time. You understood my point? Ideal time
Yeah.
will be there. That is your call the connection table entry. Okay, then after bytes, size of the packet, size of the packet. Then after TCP flag it is using, that's why it is showing you TCP flag, UIO. TCP flags. Understood? Cleared?
Mm.
So firewall contains what? Connection table. And there in the connection table it is reverse entry. Connection table. Are you getting? Understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
Next what I am telling you, see here. After that, just come. Uh, where I
Why
was?
so in reverse table?
No, it is Cisco proprietary. By default it will be. No attack should become. Because
So it
always
is
we
the
are
same
thinking,
thing.
see,
It is the same thing with across the all the models. I mean
yeah,
all firewall.
no, no, not all firewalls. Only Cisco. We are talking about Cisco. Only in the Cisco. Understood?
Mm.
Only inside the Cisco. It will consist. And that is called the stateful firewall. Why it is called stateful firewall? Because in the stateful firewall, they have source information. Okay? Source port. Are you getting? They will ask you,
Yeah.
what is a stateful firewall? Source port, destination information, destination port. Destination port is also there. Destination port. Are you getting? Then after what? TCP or UDP flags. Understood? And ideal time. When someone will ask you, you have to explain what is there inside the connection table. This is inside the connection table also. Okay, now
Yeah.
connection table.
So
Very much
source,
important.
port, number,
Source
and
port,
destination.
yeah. Destination information, destination port, TCP UDP flags. Then after ideal time. Clear? And connection table or stateful firewall, a connection table always remains a reverse entry. Note. Under note you write connection table always, connection table always a reverse entry. That means outside to inside. Okay, clear this point up to here? Up to here clear? This all point? Hello, are you there?
I'm noting. Just give me a second.
Okay, please.
Source. So destination information is when you say it's just
Mhm.
the IP address, no?
Yeah, I paired this.
Okay. And TCP, UDP, and destination port. What do you mean flag?
Flags, TCP have flags is there, no? 6 flags. You remember? Yesterday I was talking about that.
Yeah.
Okay. Go with that. Okay. In the interview, 100%. Damn CO.
Okay.
Work hard on that TCP and UDP flags. Clear up to here, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, see here. This part is done. Then after we were what? We were discussing on, see, what is the protection? This is asking you protection. Reverse entry is the protection. Protection is there. I'm giving you answer. Reverse entry is the protection. Understood? Clear? Basically what? We all know we will follow the source first, then after we will go to the destination. Correct or not? Are you getting my points? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah, please give me answer.
I'm
What
here.
I'm telling you, okay. When I'm asking question on that time, please tell. What I'm telling, basically, always the traffic flow from source to destination. So the attacker should
Right.
be know if the attacker, some kinds of attack is coming on the firewall, they will think, they will check the firewall entry. Inside that, it will show you destination first. That means it is entirely different. You understood my point? Entirely different.
Yeah.
First, it should be entered in the source, then after it will reach to the destination part. But here it is entirely different. Firewall is telling no. First, I will show the destination entry, then after I'll be reached on the that's your source part. Understood or not? So the protection,
Yeah.
that is the come on the protection. Stateful packet inspection. I am coming on this point also. Okay, this point also I am explaining you. Just hold a second. What is this point? Okay, this point also I am explaining it. First, you understood this? Maintain a session table. The session table I shown you. Okay, connection table or session table is same. Understood? Clear?
Okay.
Every TCP and UDP flow in a outbound or made entry in a session table. It's made entry in the session table, correct or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. When the traffic is flow from the higher to lower, it create a session table or connection table, same as it is. Understood? You can say either a session table or connection table. Return traffic allowed outside network. If the connection table is, they will allow the connection table. They're telling session is open. Understood? So
Okay.
always remember TCP have some time is there. Means I'm telling you I'm available for 2 hours. After 2 hours, your class is not there. Means your class is only up to for 2 hours. Means after that some other classes is there. You understood? So in the
Mm-hmm.
TCP, when the entry will be go, that TCP have some time level is there. UDP have some time level is there. When the traffic will
Okay.
not come from the destination part, it will automatically close.
Okay.
Again, it has to create a connection table. It will request. So that is also the security purpose. Means I am telling you within a milliseconds you have to reach to the destination. Means I
Yeah.
send a packet, I send a packet to you, and you immediately you have to send the packet to me. That packet should be reached to me. But you are sending after 30 minutes. That means the session is closed. You understood my point? That means the
Yeah.
attacker cannot reach there. If you will try to attack, firewall will not allow. First point is there. Second is what? The stateful packet inspection. A stateful table, I told you what is SPI. You understood? What is stateless firewall? Router is acts as a firewall also. That we will see on the zone-based policy firewall. But there is no such kinds of this all information you will get inside the firewall, like connection table entry and all. Understood?
Okay.
That is
Okay.
known when someone will ask you what is your stateless firewall. You can say router acts as a stateless firewall. Then they will ask you how. So you can say my router is also acts as a firewall. I can create a policy inside that. We'll see this point. Okay. Next, what I'm telling you, what is this? How the packet flow inside your firewall? Just see. Let's come here. Here is my diagram. See here. Packet will be entered. This is the source, right? This is the
Yeah.
source. Okay. Packet is flow from higher to lower. Okay. This interface always known as ingress interface. This is the packet flow or traffic flow I'm explaining. Okay. That was the question yesterday. Traffic or packet flow. Are you getting?
Yeah.
Ingress interface. First the packet will enter on the entering interface. This is known as what? Entering. Correct. Then after
Mm-hmm.
inside the firewall, algorithm is there. Inside the firewall, NAT table is there. Network address translation. Okay. After that, it will check the ACL, access list. On the third point, it will reach on the inspection table. Are you getting my point? Then after this interface, exiting interface, this is exit, right? Exit interface. This interface is known as your egress interface. You understood? Are you getting?
Yes. Yes.
What is happened? First, it will reach to ingress, that is entering, egress, ingress, ingress. Then after, it will check the NAT table. Then after, it will check what? ACL. Then after it will check inspection engine. Then after it will reach to the egress interface. Understood? Packet
Yeah.
reach here. It will check what? If it will reach on the ingress interface, what it will do? It will check the connection table. Remembered or not? I told you already.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Connection table entry. It will check connection table entry. Are you getting? If connection
Yes.
table is there, it will go through the connection table. If there is no connection table, it will create a new connection table. Create the new connection what? Table. Are you getting?
Yeah.
How my firewall create a new connection table? Understood? Then after it will check the NAT. If NAT is there, you want to translate, it will check. If no, it will bypass the NAT. It will check the access list. Maybe you are denying this router, Saurabh. It will reach there, but ACL is telling no, you should not allow inside the firewall. Packet will drop, traffic will drop. Are you getting? You understood?
Yeah.
For the security mechanism, these are the three things is there inside. Inspection engine is what? Apart from TCP, UDP, you want to ICMP, you want to FTP, kinds of that. So you should have to allow this one because the firewall is only allow from the higher security level to lower security level only TCP and UDP based traffic. If you have to allow some kinds of other protocol, you have to allow the inspection engine. Understood? Inspection engine with the help of, we will see this part also. Clear? Then after
Yeah.
it will reach to the egress interface, and then after it will reach to the L2, and then after it will reach to the destination part. Clear my point? Understood my point? Again, the
Yes.
traffic will be come from here to here, just opposite. So what happened? This become your ingress. Again, it will check the NAT, ACL, ingress interface. Then after this becomes egress, just opposite. Because this is the bidirectional. You are sending the packets and you are reaching the packets also. Clear? Understood? No? Any doubt? Because you are not creating, you are
No,
not
I
create, you are
think
not you are not call the traffic from here to lower to higher, you are call the traffic from higher to lower. Understood? From lower also you will get reply
yeah.
because he is asking to get me reply. Telnet systems through that I'm reaching or not. Clear? Okay, any doubt up to here? Natras, any doubt up to here?
No, no, no.
Clear, no? So up to here
Yeah.
you can go with recording. Okay, practice this one. Are you able to do or not?
Yeah.
Okay, and then after take 5
Yeah.
you have the office is also there, and we'll meet you tomorrow then. Okay,
Yeah.
you understood the points, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Go with
I'll go
that.
through the recording again.
Yeah, again any doubt just
Yeah.
WhatsApp me. Fine. This was
Yeah. Yeah.
yesterday
Please share me the
question.
recording. Eh?
Yeah, I will share you recording. This was your last yesterday's your interview question. You understood? They are
Yeah. Yeah.
they were
Yeah.
asking you same.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. See you tomorrow.
But
Bye bye.
I'm not elaborated yet much. But yeah,
Right now you understood. That is the
this
things
was
what
the
I am
question
telling you.
actually.
Yeah, that things I'm telling you. Means everything you will explain. Understood. That things I will boost up inside you. Don't worry about that. Okay. Fine. See you tomorrow then, huh?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, fine.